So I'm going to show you guys what I have planned, and then don't judge me because I'm looking at this and I'm like, I have like nothing to wear, and then I have this amount of clothing and it's not even a single rack, it's like a double rack. So what I want to do today is just to give you a backstory. When I first started sewing, I think I started almost 3 years ago. I just had no idea how to sew, but I wanted to make clothes, and what I should have done was start off with like easy projects like a pillowcase or like a simple like tank top, but I just went like straight into making dresses. I'm like, I want to make dresses, and you know, I look at my early projects now and they're like falling apart. The hem is horrible and it doesn't look great. So this is one of my first projects and I want to redo it. And here, let me show you. So it is this dress, and I fell in love with the fabric, and it has like digital roses. Kind of looks really cool, very atomic looking, and I love this fabric, but it never really fit me right. It was always kind of bulky, and then loose in some areas where I didn't want it to be, and this fabric is kind of see-through, so I would always have to wear a slip with it, and it was just too troublesome for me. So what I want to do is, oh wait, is this upside down? Wait. There we go. There's the front. There's the front. And it's a side zipper. What I plan on doing is making it a two-piece. I found this vintage Catalina, I believe it's from the 1940s, two-piece rose swimsuit, and I thought it'd be really cute to kind of do something similar. And let me show you guys what I'm going to do on the sketchbook, because me like pointing at it, it's not doing it justice at all. Okay, so here it is on the dress form, and then I did this like 2 years ago, guys. So I totally forgot that I was embellishing it and I think it's really pretty. I'm like, why did I forget to like finish this? But that's something I definitely want to continue, just to spruce up this outfit. Once it's finished, I'm going to do all these little iridescent sequins. I have to order some, but that's something I'm going to definitely finish. I think it's really pretty and it adds a little sparkle, because why not, right? What do we also be waiting for? Okay, so there it is.